Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix iPhone microphone not working. So let's just get straight into the video. There are 5 steps to go ahead and fix it. The first is going to be initial checks and cleaning. So try removing accessories, remove any screen protectors, films or cases that might be covering the microphone openings. Also try to use a soft bristled brush such as a clean dry toothbrush to gently remove debris from the mic holes. The third thing you want to do is turn off your Bluetooth to ensure the iPhone is not trying to use a connected headset. The second way is going to be by testing the microphone, and that is going to be done by using the voice memos tab. Simply open voice memos and try recording your audio and see if your microphone is working or not right over here. And the final thing you want to go ahead and do is simply go ahead and open your settings tab, and then you want to tap on the general tab and scroll all the way down to transfer or reset. Click on reset and then simply click on reset all settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.